What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, we got a little bit of tiny minor mods as well as picking up a big mod later on, but I'll talk more about that later. But for now, I wanted to show you guys some of these lights that I got from Import Image Racing. Some of you guys may have seen the video, so I went ahead and I picked up some white LED lights that are going to be for the inside dome light. And then I also got some LED white reverse lights as well. These are the lights right here from Noble Performance, you guys. We got the T10s for the inside dome light, and then we got the T15 LED light bulbs for the reverse lights. So it's pretty simple. I got a small little, flathead screwdriver right here, and we're gonna go ahead and do this little bit of minor install. The lights that they have right now, they kind of suck, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm really glad that they were able to kind of come out with these pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and get into the car and start changing these lights. Now that we're inside of the car, get a look at these dome lights. Okay, so with our little flathead, or maybe like a plastic piece, if you don't think that you'll be careful enough with the flathead, you can go ahead and just kind of pry this off right here. And then we should be able to see the OEM lights in here, and then we just switch out those old ones with the new ones. So let me go ahead and take both of these off. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll switch the bulbs. Now that we got the plastic pieces off, we got the OEM lights exposed right here. Got the first light bulb out. Go ahead and set that right there. I'm not gonna lie, it seems like a little hard to try to pull them out. Oh, that one was easier. I had to put on this glove because I didn't have no grip. My hands were all slippery. Now we're gonna add the T10 LED light bulb. Should be easy, just plug it back in. T10 light bulb. Let's go ahead and insert that. Ooh. That works. It almost didn't feel like it actually had went in, but it did. So oh yeah, baby. All right, let's put the covers back on. All right, that one works. Oh yeah. Okay, so that was pretty simple. Aside from me not really getting any grip, super simple. So if you guys like that, make sure you guys try that. So I'm gonna wait for it to get a little bit dark, and that way I can kind of show you guys exactly how much more light you're getting. So I should have did it before so you guys can see the stock light to see how much light you're getting. Totally forgot to do that. Sorry about that. But yeah, so I'll show you guys after in a moment. All right, now we can work on this light right here. I still have my stock exhaust in here, you guys. I literally haven't found a place to put it in the garage, so it's been in here the whole time. So I need to take it out. But right now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but in that little cage right there is our little tiny OEM light, and it's not really doing any justice, to be honest. Actually, let me go ahead and take out the stock exhaust real quick, put back the back seats so you can kind of see how much light it's actually getting back here. Give me 1 second. Alright, I took everything out, you guys, and you still can't really notice because there's still quite a bit of daylight out. The sun's going down right now, but there's still quite a bit of daylight out right now. I'm trying to close the trunk just a little bit so you guys can see, but as you guys can see, even right now, you guys can totally tell it's really not giving us any bit of light. So we're gonna go ahead and change that out. It's kind of in a cage a little bit. It's kind of weird. Maybe that's for, I don't know, heat protection or something, so it doesn't touch anything in particular. So let's go ahead and take this out and see how this LED one looks. Right, just go ahead and pop this out and unplug it right here. So we got the little cage out and we got the new LED bulb in. I just kind of wanted to show you how to pull off this cage. It's really simple. So you guys see this little tab right here? You're just gonna pull this back like that, and the cap should come up just like that. See? Alright, and then you just click it back. It should be good. And then plug this back in, and then you put it right back up top. LED's in there now, all plugged up, and already I feel like I can see it like a lot still. So let's kind of do the same thing what we did. We kind of closed it up just a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty bright in there. I'm glad we got that in there. Kind of losing some daylight, so it's getting closer for me to kind of show you guys how it's gonna look when it's completely dark. Last thing we got to do is we got to do the reverse lights, which might be a couple more steps, but still just as simple. So let's go ahead and get down there and switch those ones as well. So getting down here, looks like we got to take off these 4 plastic screw tabs to get to the lights under here. Alright, we got this plastic small fake diffuser off, and it's exposed the lights now, as you guys can see. And all you gotta do is turn it and then pull it out, and then it exposes the light. So for these ones, it's got to be the T15 LED bulbs, a little bit bigger than the T10s. I don't know if you guys can see it through this white light, but we got the new ones inside now. Put the old ones back in here. Since they're still good, I'm gonna just leave them in this emergency bag that I keep in my trunk. And I didn't get to mention this, but for this little diffuser, don't be afraid to pry these clips off. Once you take the bottom clips off, it should come off pretty dang easy. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this back on. We got one last small little install, something that totally crossed my mind when I sold the Lexus and didn't even think to like bring back with me, but ended up getting another one, and I feel like it's only right. We got another Acuna Speedstars license plate holder. Yes sir. Okay, so like I said, when I left with the car, I didn't even realize that I had left this with the car. So I had to buy another one. So let's go ahead and get rid of this Toyota of Las Vegas. And let's throw this initial D1 on. Alright, now it's official. Yes sir. Acuna Speedstars, baby. Now I can actually start running through the togs and meeting up with other Speedstar members. I will say that Initial D has become one of my like favorite shows, just cause like, for one, it was done like way back when, and like it was done so freaking well that like still to this day it's like still like hella relevant and legendary. So if you guys know, and if you didn't know, now you know how much of a freaking fan I am. So I had to have that freaking license plate on this car, especially because it's the new 86. So I'm happy with that. So let me go ahead and show you guys what all these lights look like since it's getting darker now. Look at this, you guys. It's dark enough now for you guys to tell, but sheesh, look how much freaking brighter it is in here. Like, dang, I can literally see everything I really need to see. See the trunk. Trunk looks freaking good as well. I'm telling you, like, before it was just so dim in here, you really couldn't see, you guys. So super happy with that little tiny install. Let me show you guys the reverse lights as well. So those are the small minor installs. You know, you guys, small things in the cars definitely matter. I really like the lights. I'm definitely happy that I switched to those ones instead of the OEM ones. So like I said, you guys, I got those from Import Image Racing, which they're developed by Noble Performance. I'll leave the link down below where you guys can get those. And now I'm gonna see you guys in the morning, because we're going to go ahead and pick up the big install. We're gonna go pick that up from somebody tomorrow, and that one I am super excited for, you guys. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day, and we are all ready to go ahead and pick up the new part that we're going to be installing later on. I know you guys will be excited, trust me. So let's go ahead and meet up with the guy that we're buying it from. Like I said, I gotta head over to Miramar, Chula Vista area, so it's gonna be maybe like an hour 40 or so. Should be fun. But before we head over, I'm gonna get you guys a little cold start with the new exhaust. Sounds about right. Cold starts in the morning with an exhaust just sounds so good. All right, now let's head over to pick up this part, you guys.
What I want is to create peace.
We just got here to AMPM over here. Since I need to break some cash, we'll go in and get a little Celsius before the guy gets here. Dang, the energy drinks is crazy. That's crazy. I wanted to try Celsius today and they literally don't got none. That's kind of trash. I really wanted to try that one out because I haven't tried it. But, fuck it. Just because it's sugar free. Yo, Red Bull, y'all need to chill with y'all prices. $5 for this guy? Golly. I don't even drink this stuff. But I feel super tired, you guys. Even though I got some sleep last night, still feel a little tired. Oh, super sick. I think that's him right there. Cool. So, like I said, you guys, I don't really like putting cameras in people's faces without, you know, them being okay with it or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to him and see what's up with the part that we're looking at, and get back to you guys in a moment. It's going pretty well. Started finally getting paid. Yeah. This is Alan, everybody. Shout out to Alan for bringing us the part. And I wanted to take a look at his 86 because he already got the Y body on there. Yes, sir. What Y body is this?
V1 Rocket Bunny.
V1 Rocket Bunny?
Yeah.
Okay. This is clean, dude. Oh, you got the carbon fiber right here?
Yeah.
Is it wrapped or that's
Huh?
is it wrapped?
They're not wrapped.
No? This is actually really cool. This 86 right here. I like that. Oh, dang, he's even got carbon fiber right here. That's cool. Oh, and what is this? Alcantara?
Huh?
This Alcantara right here?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, that's clean.
That shit is clean. I like this right here. The logo part is hard.
Heck yeah, that's stupid hard. Oh, and then you got the Alcantara right here too. That's cool.
The interior is pretty cool.
Man, when I seen him pull out, I was like, oh, for sure that's him, dude. I never noticed that. It has the 86 symbol on the inside of the headlight.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's clean. Does it have on tail lights too?
Nah.
Oh, okay. That's tight. That's cool, man. Alright, man. Well, it was nice meeting you, dude. Shout out to Alan, everybody. And hopefully, man, we can link up, dude. I wouldn't mind, like, coming out here or for, like, a meet or anything.
Actually, I have a few people that we could probably hang out with too.
Yeah, that'd be down, dude. That'd be sick. So if you guys want to see me come down here to SD and go to a couple meets, I'll probably hit up Alan and see if we can kind of link up. I think it'll be kind of fun. That was super dope. Got to talk to him about his car, what he wants to do next, and wants to track it. So hopefully he gets to do that because it looks pretty cool, man. Like I like the little add-ons and stuff that he had. So it's nice. I freaking love doing this, man. Love meeting up with you guys, talking about parts, exchanging ideas and stuff like that. Like, it's super fun to me. So super glad if we ended up getting this part. We got some headers, you guys. I'm not gonna tell you which headers we got, but I'm super excited for this because I've never really had headers on the Lexus. It was always planned, but you know, other things ended up getting in place instead. So super glad we're gonna get to throw these on this car fairly fast, honestly, because I don't think I've owned it for like at least a full month yet. We're gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Later. Peace. So stopped by Simple Denny's, had me a little nice afternoon breakfast. See how long it's gonna take us to get back home. An hour and 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and drive back, you guys, and I'll see you when I get home.